Guys, super excited to bring you this. If you are a business owner and you are not sure how to use online marketing, I'm going to take you inside of my business, peel back the curtains and show you my real live Google Ads account and show you how we've done 24,000 plus conversions and leads and sales, and how you can use online marketing, in particular Google, to grow your business or any business. It doesn't matter what you offer, right guys? I'm going to share with you how to use online marketing for any business owner. So let's dive in. So guys, here we are inside of one of my Google Ads accounts, guys, and online marketing using Google. It's so powerful. And here's the power of it, guys. So we've spent over £473,000, which is well over $500,000. But here's the key thing, guys. We have generated nearly 25,000 customers, sales, clients, and leads using online marketing and using Google. And I'm going to show you, and I'm going to share with you some of the things that we do for our own business, guys. So this is really important. But here's the big mistake people make, right, when they're trying to do online marketing. And I want to go through a couple of key points, guys. So bear with me, because this is really important, guys. Most people go after big, shiny keywords that have huge search volumes. Guys, that is the wrong way to go. And I'm going to show you some examples. You need to build very specific mini markets when you're using Google and when you're doing online marketing for your business. You also need to make sure you get your messaging right, guys. You want to make sure you're talking directly to the person and making sure that that person feels understood, so they want your service and they want your product. Here's another big thing that people make in terms of the mistakes people make, is not getting the landing page right. Guys, your landing page right when you're doing online marketing and using Google in particular, it's so important. And here's a top tip for you, because we've spent hundreds of thousands of dollars testing these elements on landing pages. You want to make sure that your contact form is at the top right and it's above the fold. So it's very top right. So it's the first thing that people will see, because they'll go and navigate to the right, to the left, and then into the middle. So you've got to have that contact form right. If you're selling products, guys, make sure you've got really good imagery and keep the page white. A background works best, and keep it so simple. And here's the thing as well, is which people do not bother doing when you're using Google or when you're trying to do online marketing, guys. You've got to take that extra few layers, and you've got to really understand what it is your customer wants, what is the pain points, and what are their gains. What problem are you going to solve them and help them solve with your product or your services? So guys, understand the customer's pains and their gains, guys. And this is something that's really important. And guys, this is what's helped us build a successful business, right? And we teach people all these different strategies, tricks and tips using Google. But let's dive in. I want to show you something which is going to be really important for your online marketing. Google has something that's called a keyword planner. Okay, guys, it's a completely free tool, and it's a powerful tool. It's the exact tool that Google shares with you and tells you some real data. So I'm going to go through some examples now of how to use this planner and how to avoid the biggest mistakes when it comes to online marketing and using Google. Guys, you have to remember, right, that Google is such a powerful platform. 9 times out of 10, people will go to Google and they'll try and find a product, a service, a solution, try and find information. Have you heard that common phrase, which is becoming more and more popular now, is when people just say, oh, I'll just Google it. Or why don't you go and Google it? And people really do Google it, guys. So let me take some examples. We've got some real estate agents inside of our Google coaching program. So I want to give you an example. Let's say that you are a real estate agent, and we'll run through a couple of examples here, guys. But this is so important, and it's a big mistake people make. Now, You need to think about your product and your service that you offer, and you need to think about the different types of keywords. But here's what I meant, guys. You remember when I said but people go after the big, bright, shiny keywords? Guys, do not do that. Do not go after the big, bright, shiny keywords. And here's an example. Let's say you're a real estate agent. Real estate in the US here, United States, is 450,000 searches. Now, here's the thing. People will be looking at that and they'll go, right, I'm going to go for that keyword. It's 450,000 searches. But guys, that is a huge, huge mistake. Guys, do not do that. Do not go after big, high volume keywords. Yes, you've heard me right. Do not go after big, high volume keywords, because the more specific you can get, you can then create remember what I said earlier about creating mini markets? If you can get more specific and more niche down on your service or your product that you're offering, then you can craft a message much better rather than being too generic. So here we go. Look at this, right, for some examples. Let's say, as we said, you're a real estate agent. So here's one, right? 74,000 keyword searches, right? And it's gone up 22% in the last 3 months. You can now craft your message and target people that are looking for commercial real estate. So now what you can do is you can get your messaging right, and you can say, do you want a commercial real estate agent? Because you're targeting that keyword, so you already know that they want that. Do you want the best commercial properties for your business? Yes, I do. And that's what you need to do. You need to really drill down. Here's another one. Like for example, this one here, realtors near me. So what you can start to do is, and we'll go into creating an actual ad in a minute to show you how this actually works and how you actually position these keywords in an ad. But can you see what I'm doing here, guys? I am being very, very specific. So let's say, look at this one, right? Only 33,000 searches, multiple family homes for sale. So if you're a real estate agent, you can now target. If you've got family homes in your portfolio that you're representing and you're trying to sell, you can now target people that are looking for multiple family homes for sale. To see how powerful that is, guys, because here's what's going to happen. Somebody's going to type in multiple homes for sale on Google, and your ad is going to turn up here, but you're going to get so specific in your ad. So let me move away from real estate agents now. Let me just do one more, actually, just so you fully understand that. You've got to use this keyword tool, right, guys? And it will really, really help you craft your message and be very specific. And do not go after this big, massive 450,000 keywords that we saw here, right? For real estate. That's a wrong way to go about it. But I've just seen another keyword here that will be a really good an example. Let's say you're a real estate agent and you have big mansions or expensive homes that you're trying to sell. Well, here's one here I just seen which said mansions. Look, mansions for sale, 18,000 searches on Google, guys, right? So if you got mansions that you need to sell as a real estate agent, right, go and target that keyword, get your ad on Google, get that messaging right, and speak directly to those people that are looking to sell their mansions. So let's take another one, for example. Let's take pet insurance, right? So let's say we've got a couple of pet insurance companies inside our Google coaching program, and we also have a host of different types of insurance companies as well. So here's what we need to do. So let's say, now this is another example, right, guys? Look at this. Pet insurance, 165,000 searches, and people will be looking at that and they'll be going, yes, I'm going to go after that because it's a huge keyword. But guys, no, that's the wrong way to go about it, guys. So what you need to do is drill down, guys. So let's look, you've got dog insurance. Okay, so people that just have dogs. You've got cat insurance. So what cat insurance, 9,000 searches. So what you would need to do then, if you offer pet insurance, is don't just go after pet insurance. It's way too generic. It's a wrong way to go about it, and you cannot craft your message on Google to get these level of conversions and sales that we have had in our business, guys. You know, this is some of the exact same methods that we teach our Google coaching clients. Okay, so this is just scratching the surface here. So cat insurance. And now you will target people looking for cat insurance and not pet insurance. So let's look at another one. And you've got to drill down, and keep looking. Look, animal insurance, right? It's only 3,000 searches. But if you crafted a campaign and an ad that says animal insurance, right, you can just really hone in on that because it's lower search volume and it's not a huge, bright, shiny keyword that has tons of volume, guys. So I hope this is making sense. Here we go. Look at this. This is a perfect one, right? 590 searches, but I'm gonna target this one. So let's do this as an example with our ad. So rabbit insurance, right? How specific is that? You're not going after pet insurance that has 165,000 searches. You're going after rabbit insurance. It's very small market. It's up by 50%, and now you can start to craft your message around that. So let me do an example now, guys. This is here is an example of how you would write your ad. Okay, so I put in a Google example. So we're going to be targeting rabbit insurance. Okay, now can you see how specific it already is being, right? So rabbit insurance. Now here's a top tip for you guys. When you're doing your Google ads, right, put your keyword that you are targeting in that. Now I would probably only have one campaign that would target rabbit insurance and no other keywords because I'm getting specific. Remember, guys, what I said here? You're getting your messaging right, and we are building a mini market, and we are not, here's the keyword, we are not going after big, bright, shiny keywords. So my mini market in this example is rabbit insurance. That is my mini market. So what I can do now is I can say, trying to write it. Are you a rabbit owner? Now, question marks, guys. Question marks work really well in this type of targeting on Google. Do you love your rabbit? Top. We focus on rabbit insurance. Okay, so can you see I'm not mentioning pet insurance? I'm not going after the big, bright, shiny keywords. I'm being very specific, and my keyword is only 590 searches a month, right? And so we only do rabbit. Now, obviously, you're not only going to do rabbit insurance, right? But you're going to more than likely offer other types of insurance. But by using this type of terminology, you are making that rabbit owner who is looking for insurance feel understood. Look, every single phrase and keyword I am using includes the word rabbit in. Okay, we love to care for rabbits. Protect your rabbit with us. Okay, so as you can see, look at now, we'll see an example now. Look at this, guys. So let's just rewind a little bit now, right? So we're going after rabbit insurance, only 590 key searches a month, but we're being very specific. Do you love your rabbit? Are you a rabbit owner? Protect your rabbit. Okay, so these type of things would work really, really, really well when you're trying to get more leads, more sales, and you're trying to do online marketing the right way. Okay, now here's another top tip that works really well, is using hashtag and then the number 1, rabbit insurance supplier. We only cover rabbits. We love rabbits. Contact us. Ow. It's okay. It's a few spelling mistakes. So let me just clean this up so you can see how this is actually going to look, guys. And I hope this is all making sense. So here's how specific this is being. So look, number 1, rabbit insurance supplier. We only cover rabbits. We love rabbits. Contact us now. Protect your rabbit. So I'm drilling down, I'm targeting, and I am creating, remember guys, a mini market. So, and I'm not going after big, bright, shiny, high volume keywords. So this is how it works, and it works really, really well, guys. So when somebody types in here, let's have a look actually, if somebody does actually target rabbit insurance. Okay, so look at this company here. It doesn't mention anything about rabbits at all. So again, they're using way, 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 way too much generic quotes, right? Very, very, very generic. Look at this, compare pet insurance. That's the wrong keyword. So what these guys have done, they're doing it the wrong way. They are going after just the big, bright, shiny keywords. And you cannot do that, guys, if you want to drive sales. I'm targeting rabbit people that are looking for rabbit insurance, and my ad talks nothing else but rabbit insurance, guys. And this is what's helped us to generate all these different types of fantastic numbers for our business, right? And we're only scratching the surface, guys. We go into a lot more detail with our Google coaching clients. But guys, there is a free training going on right now called the Secret Backdoor Method. Go and check it out. Go and watch the training. The link is in the description, and I will cover this in much, much more details, guys. But hope this has made sense. So again, think about your mini markets. Don't go after big, shiny keywords. Be specific and be careful on how you're designing your landing page. But if you can do that, if you can master Google, you can have a very, very, very successful business, guys. So hopefully this has made sense. Go and subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about this type of stuff. And I'll see you on the next training video, guys. All right, take care.